Good afternoon, students. We will go through the solved example, page number 78, question number 18.
Only one value is there. Let us sit here. First there. Please sit here. No, let us sit. No, huh?
Very important example. It has been asked for 5 marks many times. It is in solved books. Question number 18, page number 78. Now, we need a cube. A is given, I is the identity matrix. To find a cube, we need a square first. One, two, three minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now, 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now, multiplying row with column. Multiplying row with column. Let's see the answer. First row, first column. 1 into 1, first element. Second element, 2 into 3. Third element, 3 into 4. First row, first column. Going to the next. First row, second column. 1 into 2. 2 into minus 2. 3 into 2. First row, first column. First row, second column. Now going with the first row, third column. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. Now, second row, first column, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3, 1 into 4. Second row, first column. Now second row, second column, 3 into 2 minus 2 into minus 2, 1 into 2. Now, third row, second row, third column, 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Third row, first column. Once the columns are completed, go to the next row. Third row, first column, 4 into 1, 2 into 3, 1 into 4. Now, third row, second column, 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2. Third row, second column. Now, going with the third row, third column, 4 into 3, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 4 into 3, 2 into 1, 1 into 1. Now simplification. Simplify, check what we get. 1 plus 6 plus 12. 2 minus 4 plus 6. 3, 2, 3. 3 minus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 minus into minus plus 1 into 2. Now 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 4 into 1. 2 into 3 6. 1 into 4. 4 into 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. 4 into 3 12. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now 1 plus 6, 7 plus 12. It is going to be 19. 2 plus 6, 8 minus 4 plus 4. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 4, 7 minus 6. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus 1. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 4. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. This is how we got a square. Understand? Row into column. Now, moving to a cube. Either you write a square into a or a into a square. In both cases, your answer will be same. 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15 into a. A value 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 4, 2, 1. Now row into column. 19 into 1. 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 4, 32. I am not writing this step. Directly I am writing this. 19 into 1, 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 4, 12. Now first row, second column. 19 into 2, 38. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 8 into 2, 16. Now 19 into 3, 57. 4 into 1, 8 into 1. Now second row, first column. 1 into 1, 12 into 3, 8 into 4. Now 1 into 2, 12 into minus 2, 8 into 2. Now 1 into 3, 12 into 1, 8 into 1. Now last row, first column. 14 into 1, 6 into 3, 18. 15 into 4, 60. Now 14 into 2, 28. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 15 into 2, 30. Third row, third column. 14 into 3, it is going to be 42. 6 into 1, 15 into 1. Now write the simplification, that is the issue. 19 plus 12, 31. 31 plus 32, 60. Now 38 minus 8, 30 plus 16, 46. 57 plus 4, 61. 61 plus 8, 69. Now 1 plus 36, 37. 37 plus 32, 69. 2 plus 16, 18. 24 minus 18, 6. Bigger number sign is negative. 3 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 14 plus 18, 32. 32 plus 60, 92. 28 minus 12 is going to be 16. 16 plus 30, 46. 42 plus 6, 48. 48 plus 15, 63. This is how we got AQ. Now moving to the final step. Left hand side, a cube minus 23a minus 40i. Left hand side, a cube minus 23a minus 40i. Yes, it is. Check once.
Yes, sir.
A cube minus 23 minus 40i. Now a cube 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into a, minus 23 into a, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now, minus 40i, minus 40i, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, moving to the answer. Let's get, will get 0 or not. Sixty-three, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63. Now minus I will keep as it is. 23 into 1, 23 into 2, 23 into 3, 23 into 3. 23 into minus 2, 23 into 1, 23 into 4, 92, 23 into 2, 23 into 1, minus 40 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 40 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 40 into 1. Now 63, first element is minus 23, first element is 40, second element 46, 46, second element 0, third element 69 minus 69 minus 0, second row, first element 69 minus 69 minus 0, minus 6 minus into minus plus 46 minus 40. Now third element 23 minus 23 minus 0. Now 92 minus 92 minus 0. Second element 46 minus 46 minus 0. Now 63 minus 23 minus 40. Now if you simplify them, they'll get cancelled. Here it should be 46. 69, 69. 69, 69. Minus 6 minus 40 minus 46 plus 46. 23, 23. All terms will get cancelled. So the only answer remaining is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements are 0, so the matrix can be taken as 0. Hence proof. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Watch the video again and again so you can understand the multiplication. If you have any confusion, put in the comment box. Before going to complete the class, let me tell you, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the information of all latest videos. Thank you everybody.